When you are ready to save your document, you may do so by clicking the disk icon in the top left corner of the screen. If the document has never been saved before, the Save As screen will appear. If the document has previously been saved, the document will remain in place and save as previously directed. You may also save the document by clicking File and then Save or Save As. Both screens appear to look the same. You may click a recently saved location, or for more saving options, click the Browse button. A Save dialog box appears. Microsoft Word will open the default saving location for files. Please note, by clicking the Save As type list, you will have the option to save your document as many different file formats. The document is given a default file name, but you may enter whichever you please. By leaving the default file select .docx, we are able to click Save. The document is saved in the default file location. Now let's save the document as an Adobe PDF. Click File, Save As, and Browse. Click the Save As type list and select star.pdf. Select the Save location and type a file name. Click the Save button. Your document has now been saved as an Adobe PDF file.